of the deadly coronavirus.
The World Health Organization is recommending you to disinfect any surface that you use frequently, which includes your smartphone screen that you touch more than 2,600 times on an average day.
Clean your smartphone with household materials effectively.
Here's what you'll need. First of all, a microfiber cloth or a soft linen-free cloth, preferably made of cotton. A few teaspoons of clean water, if possible, should be distilled. A mild soap used for face wash or hand wash, and finally, cotton swabs. Power down the phone and remove any case or attachments. In a container, make a lukewarm solution of water and the soap. Wet the cloth with the solution, but make sure that you don't soak it. Wipe all parts of the phone properly, avoiding the ports and any other openings, because if water gets into those ports, it can probably damage them even if the phone is water resistant. Use dry cotton swabs around the camera lenses, ports and other openings. If necessary, blow air with your mouth to dislodge any dust or other particles, and make sure that you don't use compressed air, reasons for which we'll discuss later in this video. Make sure to clean the case of the phone as well and allow both the phone and the case to dry completely before inserting it back or plugging in any attachments. You can also use a solution that contains more than 70% isopropyl alcohol instead of the soap. I'll link all of the required materials down below in the description so that you don't have to wander around searching for them. ATP testing, which is a test done to detect the germs on a surface, has been done before and after cleaning with both of these methods, and both of them have been equally effective in bringing down germs. Oleophobic coating provides a certain amount of finger smudge resistance to your smartphone's display and also reduces the affinity towards oil and other liquids. So here are the things that you should avoid cleaning your smartphone with so that you don't damage the oleophobic coating of your smartphone. Window cleaners like Windex or Colin, kitchen cleaners like Lysol and Fantastic, paper towels which can leave debris and even scratch your smartphone surface, compressed air which with its intense bursts can damage the ports, specifically the microphone, and finally disinfectant wipes for which the alcohol levels may be too strong for your smartphone.